All right, so again, this will be a little easier. I've got x squared minus 9x plus 20. And I'm told, hey, tell me what goes in here. Factor this bad boy. Right? So they're saying factor. Thank you. So then we go ahead and we do that. We're going to do guess and check. But before I do the guess and check, I'm going to do this thing where I know that the middle term right here, whoops, there's supposed to be an x on that, -9, right? This should be 9x. And then the last term, positive 20. So I need to think of two terms that when I multiply them together, they equal 20, but when I add them up, they equal -9. Well, I'm thinking that -5 minus 4 equals -9, and I'm thinking that -5 times -4 equals a positive 20. So I've kind of done the work already, but let's go through here and double check, guess and check. I'm going to draw my grid, write down the first term, which is x squared. Write down the second term, which is positive 20. And then I go x times x is x squared. That's pretty good. And I'm thinking that if I put in a -5 here and a -4 here, that maybe when I multiply it out, it'll add up to -9x. So -4 times x is -4x. -5 times x is -5x. Guess what? -4x plus -5x equals -9x. So then my factorization of this is x minus 5 times the quantity x minus 4. And this is the factored form, or those are the factors of it.